In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. To begin, make sure you are inside your CJ account and that your Shopify store is already connected on the CJ side. This matters because the listing tool needs to know exactly which store to send the product to. Start by searching the CJ catalog for a product you want to sell. Use the search bar and filters to narrow things down, and take your time here. It helps to look for clear photos, a strong product title, and variants that make sense for customers, like size or color options that are easy to understand. Once you find the item you want, click on the product to open its details. On the product details page, review what you are about to import. Pay attention to variant options, shipping information, and any notes about processing time. This is the point where you confirm you are choosing the right version of the product, especially if there are multiple similar listings. Next, click the List button. This is the option that prepares the product to be pushed into Shopify. After you click List, set your store to your Shopify store. If you manage more than one Shopify store, be careful to select the correct one. Importing to the wrong store can create extra cleanup work later. Then choose your shipping method. Pick the option that fits your delivery expectations and your customer experience. Shipping speed, cost, and destination coverage can vary by method, so choose the one you plan to use consistently for that product. Now set your price for each variant to include your profit margin. If the product has multiple variants, price each one thoughtfully. Higher cost variants should have higher prices, and it is a good idea to keep your pricing consistent across the set so it looks professional in your Shopify store. Finally, click List It Now to import the product to your Shopify store. Give it a moment to process, and once it is listed, you can later review the product inside Shopify to confirm the title, images, variants, and pricing all look correct. And that is all there is to it.